Ride out, unveiled. A deep dive into the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a common English phrase, ride out. By the end of this video, you'll fully grasp its meaning and know how to use it like a native speaker. So, let's saddle up and embark on this linguistic journey. When you think of the word ride, what comes to mind? Perhaps riding a horse, a bike, or maybe even a roller coaster. Now, combine it with out. In the most direct sense, ride out means to travel or leave a place on a vehicle or an animal, such as a horse. Example, she decided to ride out to the countryside on her bicycle. Beyond the literal meaning, ride out can also be used in a figurative sense. Here, it means to endure or withstand a difficult situation or period without being severely harmed or affected. Example, the small business managed to ride out the economic recession without closing its doors. Understanding the context in which ride out is used will help you determine whether it's being used literally or figuratively. Always pay attention to the surrounding words and the general theme of the conversation. Examples: 1. The cowboys decided to ride out at dawn. Literal sense. 2. We just need to ride out this storm, and things will get better. Figurative sense. And there we have it. Whether you're speaking of a journey on horseback or facing a tough situation, ride out is a versatile phrase that can enrich your vocabulary. We hope you found this video insightful and that you're now more confident in using this phrase in your conversations. Remember, language is an adventure, and every new phrase you learn makes the journey even more exciting. Safe travels on your linguistic journey.